Hi, it's Tony Carver from TLC Style and Colour here, and I wanted to fill you in with some more details about my new on-demand masterclasses. So I do understand that it's not always possible to attend my live events, such as my What to Wear workshop, or other workshops which I might do. And also that some people do enjoy learning in their own time when it's convenient for them to do so. Clients always ask me if they can get hold of a recording of the workshop, and it's not always practical or possible to do with live events. So I've actually been working on some alternative options. So these new on-demand masterclasses, there's the first one which I'm launching, which is, it's pre-recorded, but it does mean obviously that you don't need to miss out. Now, the first one is a seasonal one, so it's connected to the spring, summer style update, what to wear workshop, which I've been doing. Now, this will go through some more detail about the colour and the style trends, which you can expect to find. It's pre-recorded, but I do talk you through the same slides which I use in the group workshop. So you won't feel like you're missing out quite as much. I'll show you what the latest colour and style trends are in much more detail, and demonstrate to you what it is that you'll find in the shops and also how to wear them. So in that on-demand masterclass, you'll learn what the new colour trends are, where to find them, the key colours for your dominant colouring type, the latest styles and trends and where to find them, and of course how to make them work for you and your style personality. So there is an introductory price on this first masterclass, and I'll pop the link below on where you can actually get your hands on it. So I hope you enjoy it. Any feedback, do let me know.